In this video, we are going to see about how to whitelist an IP address in cPHulk brute force protection. Introduction. cPHulk brute force protection in WHM, Web Host Manager, protects your server from brute force attacks by blocking IP addresses that attempt to log in repeatedly with incorrect credentials. However, there are times when you may want to ensure certain trusted IP addresses, like those used by administrators, are not blocked. Step 1. Log into WHM as the root user. Step 2. Navigate to Home, Security Center, cPHulk Brute Force Protection. Step 3. Open the Whitelist Management tab. Step 4. Enter the IP address or IP address range to be whitelisted in the New Whitelist Records text box. Step 5. Click the Add button. Conclusion. Whitelisting an IP address in cPHulk brute force protection is a quick and effective way to ensure that trusted IPs, like those of server administrators, maintain uninterrupted access to the server. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. We're coming up with more exciting content, so stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support us.